This is Dr. Karamachi. I wanted to talk about the upcoming sandstorm. There is talk online about a sandstorm that is coming through the mid East, and they're saying it's going to approach the states. And there is also talk about people who are having COVID symptoms and how it can get worse. So it is possible, when you have fine particles, if they get into the airway and you're already having cough and shortness of breath, you can have more shortness of breath and more cough because the body is trying to get rid of those particles. And the best way to get rid of that is to produce some mucus in the airway and try to spit out the phlegm. So that's the body's natural mechanism. Now, if you're already suffering from COVID and you're having breathing symptoms, you're having shortness of breath and cough, then obviously the symptoms can get worse. And the question is, what can we do about it and how we can protect ourselves? If you're staying indoors, like most people are staying indoors, and you have a good filtration system in the air conditioning, then that is some level of protection. Some people also use UV light, and you can also put a HEPA filter. There's standalone HEPA filters that you can buy online or in the stores, and you can put it in the house, and it continuously cleans the air. So that may be an added level of protection. So HEPA filter can also clear out the fine particles which may not be cleared by the regular air filters. If you're going out and about, and if you have to go out and about when you have the sandstorm, then you have to wear a really good mask. Like the one I wear is a surgical mask. So you wear the surgical mask around the neck. It gives fair amount of protection. But there is some, like, right here, the sand particles can get inside. If you want really good protection, then an N95 mask would be good. I don't have it with me right now, but N95 mask, if it is fitted well, it can stop most of the particles. There are more expensive versions. There's something called a respirator. It costs like $100 or $200. You can buy it online. Some docs use it, but normal people also can start using it, and that has better protection than either a surgical mask or an N95. So I would start with the surgical mask. If you don't have one, get one. Regular cloth mask has some protection, but it's not as good as a surgical mask. Surgical mask will take care of at least 90% of the particles. If you have N95, it takes care of 95% of the particles.